Hi, today the topic we will be doing is addition and subtraction. Addition is a key process that forms the foundation of many complex mathematical methods later on in life. One of the common difficulties with teaching addition is the progression from the counting on method to the addition by parts. To address this, we have begun with counting on method and the use of fingers, and then developed into addition by parts with concrete materials.
Good morning. Good morning. Today we're going to work on addition and possibly subtraction. Depends on how far we get. But to start, I want you all to hold up your hands. How many fingers do you have? Okay. How many fingers am I holding up now?
4.
4. And how many am I holding up now? 3. And if we were to put them together, how many is being held up? 7.
7.
Did you just say 7 because he said 7?
Yes.
Okay, I will count them out for you. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now that means that this many, which is 4, and this many. Okay, what about this time? How many am I holding up? 4. 4.
4.
How many am I holding up on this hand?
4.
4. 4 and 4 are
8.
okay.
So, what happens if we want to count more than 10? Because obviously we don't have more than 10 fingers, do we? Do we? Sure.
No.
No, we don't. We want to count more than 10, we got to use something that isn't our fingers.
Someone else?
You can use somebody else's fingers, but that might get you arrested.
Today we were doing with the fingers, so use them to like 4 and 4 to add. But this is a problem sometimes because the kids just can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you want them to just go 4 and 4. What is that? So instead, now we're using visual objects like Skittles. So we can use Skittles, and then they can use parts and put them together, and they can visualize and see how many are in each part. But you don't have to use Skittles always. You can use blocks or shapes of other objects and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're going on to.
So, if we want to count more than 10, we need to use something that we can make more than 10. So what I want you to do is, in a group of 2, pull out a book. You get it? You 2 are the only kids here, so it's going to have to be okay. So I'm going to give you all Skittles, but I don't want you eating them because we need them for this practice. So I'm going to give you 15 Skittles each, of each well a group. There's only 2 of you. So, you can have that one. Give me the book. Slide the book over. There's 1, 2, count, 3, 14, 15. There's your 15 skips.
Do I eat them?
No, you do not eat them. I will tell you what you do once I've given myself 15 Skittles.
Tasted weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can eat that one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 Skittles. What I want you to do, that's actually, you've already started. You've separated them all. I want you to take 2 random colours and add them up together. So, for me, I'm going to take my purple Skittles and my yellow Skittles, and they add up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7!
No, these are
That's
4.
not... Yes, but I... Very true. You only have 4 of the purple and yellow, but I have a different amount. But what if I were to ask you to add your reds, and your greens?
That's 5.
Count them.
2, 3,
And then how many greens? 3. How many does that up to?
9.
Now we still haven't reached more than 10 yet, have we? So what if you were to add your yellows into that? How many is there?
2.
How many is there total?
11.
So how many do you have altogether again?
15.
15. Now what I want you to do is close your eyes and take a small group of them out. And then the other person to take your eye and take a small group, but leave some there. Now I want you to open your hands and count how many you both have.
4.
4 and
7.
7. Now put those two together. You have 4 and you have 7, and how many do you have together?
11.
11. I want you to do that 2 more times, and I want you to write down the number that you get.
There were several areas where this activity could be improved. Firstly, it's important to maintain the children's attention when working with them. There were times in the activity when the students were occupied with their hands and began to lose interest. We recommend not using a food item as a learning material, as while it does get the students excited at first, it serves as more of a distraction than a tool. We would further recommend the use of colour blocks or tokens of some sort, as they retain their colour and are clearly not edible. The use of coloured materials engages the students and also can further solidify the idea of using separate parts when adding. This activity is a great way to introduce the concept of part plus part equals whole. As a standalone activity, it is successful at introducing the concepts of addition and getting students ready to make connections between number, language, and physical representations.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
You see?
15
That's
Skittles.
different.
Did you eat one?